Are failed payments quietly draining your revenue? Many businesses don't realize how much money slips through the cracks every month. Here's a quick way to see the impact. Search average failed payment rate online businesses, and you will see that declines are surprisingly common. For any business processing hundreds or thousands of transactions, these can mean a serious revenue loss if not addressed. That's why EasyPay Direct built Decline Recovery. It reduces failed payments and boosts approval ratios so more of your sales actually go through. Plus, recurring billing makes it simple to manage subscription payments consistently without extra tools. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get transaction routing, keeping your payments running smoothly across multiple accounts. If you want to keep more of your revenue and reduce failed payments, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form, and you will have a stable merchant account ready to capture more sales. The link's in the description to get started.